Hi guys, Richard Smokehouse here, and today we're doing some Hunter's chicken. So what you'll want is some nice big chicken breasts, some mozzarella cheese, some grated cheddar cheese. Obviously you're going to need your barbecue sauce, salt, pepper and a little bit of paprika for the seasoning of the chicken. And I've got some bacon that will get out shortly. So what we're going to do now guys is we're going to season the chicken. So I've got a bowl here. Get your chicken breasts in, and then you'll want to season with some salt, pepper and some paprika. So a big cover in there. Bear me 2 seconds while I wash my hands. Right, and then we'll do the pepper. Like so, and then just a little bit of salt. You don't want too much here. Like that, and just give it a good little mix. Just so that's all covered, like so. Right, so now what you want to do is wrap your chicken in your bacon, which I have got here. So you'll need a couple of slices per chicken breast, depending on how big they are. So just like that. And then you'll want to put these in your oven for about 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes, that's when you will put on the barbecue sauce, the cheese, and bake that for another further 5 minutes. Perfect. Right, there they all are on your grill. So put them in your oven for about 20 minutes at 200, and I'll bring you back then. Right guys, so we're back now with the chicken and the bacon now that it's all been fried, or baked, sorry. So what you want to do now is big helping of barbecue sauce, provided it wants to stay on, of course. So I've got a little brush here just to help spread that over. So you want to do that on all 3 of these. Just like that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to double layer this one. So get some cheddar on there. Nice big helping of cheddar. Then back with your barbecue sauce. Just like this. And then we're going to top that with the mozzarella. And then we'll put this back in the oven for another 5 minutes just to brown off all that cheese, and then it'll be all done. like so. Alright guys, so we're back again. Look at that, they're looking brilliant now. So what you want to do is get these on your bed of chips like I've done here. Cover that with some more barbecue sauce and some mayonnaise. So you've got that on your bed of chips. Add some more of your barbecue sauce. And a little bit of that mayonnaise as well. Cheers, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Thank you for joining me.